and have a proven track record of delivering in the marketplace and specifically in healthcare. And Windstream checks all those boxes.
So the ways we'll be able to help you all optimize your network to keep up with demand and your growth is through some products we call SD-WAN, and what that is a mix of physical equipment and software. This here will help you all build upon your current network that you have. I know you all were requesting for us to bring out some access for you to build upon your current access. So this device here will allow us to connect a new internet connection as well as your existing internet connection, and both of those can work simultaneously to ensure your data is going out the best route and that you're always up and have 100% uptime. The good thing about these is it will help with your new locations, with rapid deployment. I know that was one of your biggest issues, being able to grow and keep up with that and do it in a cost-effective way. It'll also give you redundancy in all of these locations as well. So I know that's very important working in the medical field, transferring medical records and being able to have real-time conversations with doctors and your patients and things like that. Uptime and redundancy is very important. This will also help removing that MPLS network you have to use the SD-WAN product to transfer that data and real-time connections from each location. So you'll be able to move your cloud applications, move your applications to the cloud, and there'll be less management for your IT team. And same thing as managing that network. You can put all of that on our team, and we can handle all of that for you. And you all can focus on growing the business and your other critical issues for the business. We'll also be able to help you all engage your patients as well as engage with your remote doctors and staff with our Office Suite product. And this is also a mix of equipment and software to help you meet these solutions. This will help you with your critical business issues such as your disparate phone system. We'll be able to replace all of that equipment with brand new user-friendly equipment to keep everyone connected. They'll be able to transfer calls very seamlessly from location to location, from hard desk phone to mobile devices. Everyone is always connected. I know you all also had some issues with missing calls, and we're in need of a better contact center solution. This here will also help you all solve that issue. Your team that's receiving the calls can sit and work, and all of those calls will come in and be neatly organized in a call queue to ensure that nobody's call is missed and that everyone is taken care of. The biggest thing that's also help you all out with is with your remote practices, having those doctors stay in connection with each other. I'm sure it's much easier for a doctor to get on a live meeting in HD video instead of having to drive to a new location that's far away, that costs money and takes time. And like she said, this is a life and death situation with some of these tasks. So with the HD meeting, doctors will be able to stay connected with the practice as well as with their patients through e-visits. It's a much easier solution. It's just a link that they will be able to send to that patient for them to be in contact with the doctor, opposed to them having to download software or having a very extravagant software and technology equipment. Also, all this data will be real-time and secure, keeping your chat presence on your website, be able to communicate all the phone calls, and also have the ability to meet with your patient through HD video. It's just a total seamless, unified communications and optimized network through these products here.
Thank you. Building on what Demetrius and Sue had shared, the primary focus of our efforts will be in the protect category. So security is paramount. We talked about that and we'll get to that. The area that we deliver on this is professional services. So professional services is the layering on top of our standard network offerings, telephony offerings, and that's really going to make the difference. There's three areas here: network security, HIPAA assessment and compliance, which is the primary critical issue that we understand you folks are dealing with, and lastly but not least is secure Wi-Fi. We've drawn our recommendations from our discussions over the past few weeks, but also from our interactions in the industry as a vertical market leader within healthcare across the country and across many organizations with countless clients. We understand that it's not about technology only, but it's about technology and your business goals. So we've considered both your operational and your business growth goals. They've been top of mind throughout this whole process. Our recommendations include custom-tailored service that are designed to fill document boxes, gaps, and bring you towards the desired objective, and then ultimately enhancing your ability to grow revenue, grow sites and grow revenue. That's That's really our core mission as a partner to help you grow revenue. So specifically in support of this, as I mentioned, the professional services and compliance, the HIPAA compliance area will allow us to play a role whereby your IT folks can step back from the day-to-day care and feeding of the switches and routers, network uptime, telephone support, focus on strategic initiatives, social media, analytics of patients, and driving that overall guest experience higher, which has been your oft-mentioned goal. So in summary, again, the seamless ability to deliver these solutions from one single provider. There's 4 people in the room here, but we're the tip of the iceberg. There are 12,000 individuals behind our lead.
With all this said, we want to help Doc in a Box compete in the healthcare industry. We want to help you move and shake things up a bit. So we're going to move your prem-based solutions to the cloud in a secure way to protect your brand, your reputation, and your clients' data. We will shake up communications within your organization to provide improved productivity and efficiency amongst your staff and within your client conversations. We will move and shake up things a bit to help you gain a better insight in what's going on in and around your business to put more money within your pockets. And lastly, time. All you guys are wearing watches. Time is super important. That's what we're here for. Let us give you back hours to your day. Essentially, we want to help take Doc in a Box out of the box. See?
Ta-da!
We're already part of the team.